What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have my August Heroes Tower Mystery Box. I don't have to tell you guys how much I love this box. I think you guys know that by now. So I will have the craft challenge results from the July challenge, and I will have a mystery box that I will actually be giving away this time. So without further ado, let's jump into this box. Okay guys, so here's the box. Let's go ahead and pop this open and see what's going on in here. I'm gonna grab this first. It is the Patreon gift. It is a video game themed mystery box. So we're gonna do that last. I will give that away later on in the video. All right, so as always, I have my item list. I'm a little out of it, guys. I just got done with my son's school assessment and I'm a little rattled by everything, but nonetheless, here is the sheet that you get in each and every single box. There are boxes available on Cratejoy, so for those of you who are not familiar with their box, if you'd like to check it out, I'll have a link to their Cratejoy box in the description box below, and there is also an option where you can support them on Patreon, which is what I do, and that's why I get the mini mystery box each month. So this is my actual box for this month. There's a sneak peek. I see a Funko Pop. So excited. Loving the Funko Pop figurines, guys. We're gonna do that last, as always. Oh my gosh, I love these. Yes. So we have an Avengers tote. Guys, I am a crafter. I'm also somebody who buys a lot of stuff. So these are great for decorative storage for me to be able to store all the stuff that I have. So that is awesome. I love it, love it, love it. All right. Ooh, Leo. I can't believe I have a Leo one. So that is awesome. So this is from an Etsy store called CS Cozy Stitching. So here we go, guys. A lot of work goes into these. I can greatly appreciate that. I love these. I have them displayed in my geeky area, which you guys will be seeing soon, I promise. But here's the back of it. I just love, 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 love these. And again, this was an Etsy store. I will zoom in on this, and that is the name of it in case you guys want to check them out. All right, let's see. Oh, this is so fun. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, so let's get the things out of the cup. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so I have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cup. What? How fun is that, you guys? Oh my gosh, I can't with this stuff. It is so freaking cute. Look at this. It's a Wonder Woman, what do you guys want to call this? It's a stuffed thing, but I think it's really cool. I love these. These are so fun. I think I have a Batman one displayed in my geeky area, so I'm going to put her in the Wonder Woman room because, of course, Wonder Woman has her own room. And then we have one of those Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle keychains. So far, I've gotten Splinter. And, oh, I forget who I got last week. I can't remember. Last month. Can't even barely remember my name half the time, let alone what kind of cool stuff I get each and every single month. I'm going to need some scissors to pop this open. So let's see what fun thing I have in here. Oh, I got Donatello last time. That's what it was. I remember. That is awesome. And, ooh, we got Leonardo. This is the Leonardo show, guys. I love it. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Stop it. I mean, just stop it now. That is so stinking cute. I just love it. These also come with cards that tell you a little bit about the character, which I think is very cool. I just put the cards in the little area where I display them as well. Oh my gosh, we have a little baggie full of a bunch of fun goodies. Let's open them up and see what's going on in here. Avengers! Yay! Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, so we have Spider-Man, and I think this might be supposed to be Black Widow. I don't know, you guys can tell me if I'm wrong. Black Widow has red hair, this has orange hair, but you know what? That's close enough, right? I think they're super cute. I love these decorative paper clips. I'm going to put them in the cup for now. And then I have an Avengers one with Thanos' arm. That is cool. Loving that. That is so super fun, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't. I love those things. They're so cute. Most people would actually use them. I put them on display. So here we have a Black Panther button. I love getting these buttons and stuff, guys, because I use them on my crafting, which you guys will be seeing very soon. I promise I'm going to get myself together. I really am. And then we have a Spider-Man one. Oh my gosh, wait until you guys see the Spider-Man shoes I'm working on. Oh my gosh, they're amazing. And then we have a Batman one. I've already done a Batman pair of shoes. So I already have those. I'm working on some other fun superheroes. Okay, what else do we have here? Uh-oh. Oh, that's a challenge. Hold on. We can't do that yet. Oh, this must be the challenge results. Okay, so we're going to put that aside. All right, and let's see what else we have going on in here before we get to the Funko Pop. We have some stuff underneath. Ooh! The Spider-Woman postcard. Check that out. Now that is really cool. I think it's a little bit bigger than some of the other postcards I've gotten, which is really cool too. I love the fact that it's like a stamp as well. That's very, very cool. He also gives you the postage stamp, guys, so that you can send somebody geeky hello, which I think is very cool. Ooh, we got some Wonder Woman stickers. You guys, I'm still brainstorming on what kind of, sorry, here's the stickers. I'm brainstorming on what kind of Wonder Woman shoes I'm going to do. I have a couple of different ideas. I want them to be so super cool though. I mean, Wonder Woman is just cool, right? So anyways, I'm still brainstorming on the Wonder Woman ones. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is going to wrap up this box right now. We have a Funko Pop. Now, I can see the back of it and I see that it's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This has been a Leo themed day. Could this be the Leonardo Funko Pop? Yay, it is! Here he is, guys. That is so fun. Chad, you went all in with this theme and I love it. I love it. So now I have all four. So just on a side note, guys, Splinter in these Funko Pops is super hard to get and he's super expensive, right? So I found him for a good deal on eBay. So I did get Splinter myself. I did buy Splinter. And I actually bought him twice because I found a damaged one that I want to try to fix. And he's so hard to find. I thought, you know what, I should just grab an extra one. But here he is. Here's Leonardo. He is so fun. You guys, look how cute these are. Don't you want to just pinch his little cheeks? Oh my gosh, he's so adorable. There's the back of it. Oh, I just love these things. So now I have all four turtles and I already have Splinter. And I think I purchased Shredder as well. Shredder is huge. I mean, he's just so big compared to the rest of them. That is so super fun, you guys. Okay. So that wraps up everything in the box. I'm going to go ahead and put all this stuff away and then we're going to jump into what the craft item results are from the last month's challenge, and then we'll get into what the challenge is for this month. Okay guys, so this is one of the highlights of this box for me. With Chad being a crafter, I'm a crafter, we're both into geeky things. This is just the perfect thing for us to do with each other. So we have a craft challenge each month, and last month the challenge was to do something with a wooden cube. Now I did something really outside the box with mine. I was pretty sure Chad wouldn't do the same thing that I was doing with mine because I just saw this technique on TikTok and I had to try it. So anyways, let's go ahead and see what Chad made with the wooden cube. So here it is right here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what fun stuff we have in here. I don't want to rip his note though because I want to see what the note says, but I want to be surprised as to what's in here first. Oh, you guys. Oh, it's so fun. I gotta look at each side. Okay, so it looks like he painted it with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So he has a purple one for Donatello. Then he's got Michelangelo. He's got Leonardo. He's got Raph. Then he's got all of them together. Oh, this is so super cute. This is gonna look so great in my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle section. So here's the Raph side. How fun is that, you guys? I love this idea. This is so cute. And then here we have the Leonardo side, and he painted it blue, so it's the color of each turtle, which I think is so fun. Love that. And then here it says Mikey. We have the orange side. It says Mikey. Oh my God, that is so cute. And then Donatello, my favorite, although it says Donnie, which I absolutely love. And then this side of the cube here, let's get it the right way. I think it's this. Is that the right way, you guys? I hope it is. But anyways, that one has all of the turtles. And then we have this side here that has all of the turtles as well. How cool is that, guys? He went all in with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle theme. I love it. I love it. It's so fun. Guys, so super fun. So I went in a totally different direction. Like I said, I just saw this really cool technique on TikTok and I had to try it and it works fantastically. So I made it's a wooden cube. Shocker, right? But I did a Super Mario theme, and what I did is I burned them. How fun is that, you guys? So here we have Princess Peach. I did this really cool burning technique, wood burning technique that I saw on TikTok, and it worked perfectly. There's Luigi. Then we go over here. We have the little mushroom guy. And then we go over here. There's Mario. I almost dropped it. And then this is Bowser. And then I just have like the question mark thing they have in the game. I thought that was kind of cool. So I got all the stencils from a seller on Etsy, and then I just put the stencils on here, and I used what's called a scorch marker, and then I heated this up and did the wood burning technique. It was so super fun, so super easy. You guys are going to see it in an upcoming, well, you just saw it actually. By the time this airs, that video would have already aired. So you saw me do this with some really fun Christmas and fall themed decor. I love this technique. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you, TikTok, for showing me something that actually works. I'm just saying. All right, that was cool. Thank you so much, Chad. Oh, I didn't read what he said here. Wooden cube painted, decorated with TMNT stickers. You guys saw it. It was awesome. And like I always say, guys, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. These are two very different things. Chad went the more colorful, awesome route, and I went the more rustic, very simple route. I just think this is such a cool technique. I had to do it, you guys. I had to do it. I love it. I think it is very cool. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I love both of them, and I'm super excited to put them in my geeky area. So let's get into the craft challenge for next month. I think I'm going to throw up. He keeps making it harder and harder. All right, so let's see. Guys, you ready? Here's the item. What am I going to do with this, you guys? What the heck? This is so funny. So we have a piece of twine. Okay. Okay, Chad, I see you. I see you. Challenge, twine/string. If you have more at home, use as much as you want or as little. Gotta be something geeky. Good luck. Okay, so I can use more twine. It says here I can use more twine, which is amazing because I'm thinking, what am I going to do with this tiny little thing? I'm creative, but how creative am I really? All right, guys, I am super excited. I have a lot of twine at home, and I do work with twine quite a bit. So you're just going to have to wait and see what I come up with, because I think I have a really good idea for this. All right, so that was super fun. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and pause for a second, and then we're going to jump into what I'm giving away for this month. Okay, guys, so before I jump into this giveaway, as always, let's go over a few of the rules. First and foremost, YouTube is no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I'm using this item that I purchased with my own hard-earned money. Number two, you have to live in the United States or have a United States postal address. This will not be opened internationally. You have to be 18 years or older, and of course, you guys have to be subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then you will not be able to win. I have a full set of rules in my description box below. Please make sure you check that out prior to entering the giveaway. All right, guys, so I already put it aside, but it was a video game theme. Here is the little box. Let's see what you're gonna get. I didn't give away last month because I knew I would love it. Oh, he put what was in here for me. Thank you. He probably knew I wouldn't know what the heck it is. Oh, this is fun. Oh, the Legend of Zelda. Oh. All right, I said I was going to give it to you guys, and I am. But reluctantly so. The Legend of Zelda. Look at this, you guys. This bag is beautiful. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Well, let's see what goodies are inside the bag. The bag itself is super, super, super duper awesome. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. All right. So then we have, Overwatch. Oh, this is cool. Wow. All right. Check it out, you guys. Hello, an Overwatch little car. I think I jumped the gun when I said I was going to give this one away. But hey, it's really cool. All right. I wish I had the Overwatch car. I said I was giving it away, and I am. Oh, look at this postcard. This postcard is so cool. Doctor Strange, look. What? Did I say I was giving it away? All right, I am. I'm giving it away. Reluctantly. All right. So, what else do we have here? Oh, a Halo magnet. So cool, you guys. Amidst the flood. Oh, wow. Look at that. A handmade magnet. I love it. How cool is that, you guys? This is a fun one. All right. Okay, Chad, I see you. I see you. You are going to get the postage stamp to go with your postcard. Let's see what other fun things we have in here. Oh, guys. Did I say I was giving this away? Can I, take that back? Okay, so I actually do not know who's on the buttons. We have Zelda and 2 Warcraft. Warcraft ones. So here's one of them right here, you guys. All right. I can't tell who's on this one either. Here's the other magnet, one of the other magnets. So you're going to get this as well. That is so super fun. Okay, and then we got this last big in here. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that without glare. That is super fun. I want this little keychain, you guys. Oh, this is so stinking cute. Look at this little gaming keychain. Stop it. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. And then we have a lanyard. What does it say the lanyard is? Minecraft. Ah, Minecraft. That is fun. Look at that, you guys. Now, this is a great little box of goodies. Some of which I wish I had. Especially that Overwatch car in the bag. I'm just saying, I wouldn't have minded it. All right, guys, but I am going to give this away to you guys. So this giveaway, I'm not really sure when it's going to run from because I never prepare for that kind of stuff. So I'm going to put all the information right here. So it's going to run from here to here, and I will be announcing the winner the week of here. All that information is right here, and I will also have it in the description box below. In order to be entered in this giveaway, well, because I'm so fascinated. Well, I love the Zelda and I love the Overwatch car, but we're going to go for Overwatch. So the keyword is going to be Overwatch. So use the word Overwatch in your comments below, and that will let me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. All right, guys, another fun month. I cannot wait till next month. I'm very curious to see what he's going to make with the twine. I have some pretty good ideas. You know, I might be able to spin something out. We'll have to see how it goes. But I am really, really excited for the twine, actually, because I have a really good idea. All right, guys. Nonetheless, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! I don't have to tell you guys how much I love this one. I think you know that by now. But for those of you who have not heard about the Heroes Tower Mystery Box, I have a link to their well, it's not their website. To their box, I guess I could say. Okay, guys, so here's the box. Let's go ahead and pop her open and see what kind of fun stuff we have going in, on. Try that again.